magic mirror, come from the farthest space. Through wind and darkness I summon thee. Speak. Let me see thy face.
What wouldst thou know, my queen?
Magic mirror on the wall, who is the fairest one of all?
Famed is thy beauty, Majesty, but hold, a lovely maid I see. Rags cannot hide her gentle grace. Alas, she is more fair than thee.
Alas for her. Reveal her name.
Lips red as the rose, hair black as ebony, skin white as snow.
Snow White.
Hello. Oh. Did I frighten you? Wait. Wait, please. Don't run away.
Now that I've found you, hear what I have to say. One song, I have but one song only for you. One heart tenderly beating, ever entreating, constant and true. One love that has possessed me. One love really true. One song my heart keeps singing of one love only for you.
Take her far into the forest. Find some secluded glade where she can pick wildflowers.
Yes, Your Majesty.
And there, my faithful huntsman, you will kill her.
But Your Majesty, the little princess.
Silence! You know the penalty if you fail.
Yes, Your Majesty.
But to make doubly sure you do not fail, bring back her heart in this.
Hello there. What's the matter? Where's your mom and papa? Why, I believe you're lost. Oh, please don't cry. Come on, prick up. Won't you smile for me? That's better. Your mom and papa can't be far. There they are. Can you fly? Goodbye. Goodbye.
I can't do it. Forgive me. I beg you, Your Highness. Forgive me.
I don't understand.
She's mad, jealous of you. She'll stop at nothing.
But who?
The Queen.
The Queen.
Now, quick, child. Run. Run away. Hide. In the woods, anywhere. Never come back. Now go. 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 Run. Run. Hide.
Because I was afraid. I'm so ashamed of the fuss I've made. What do you do when things go wrong? Oh, you sing a song. With a smile and a song, life is just like a now. I'm sure I'll get along somehow. Everything's going to be all right. But I do need a place to sleep at night. I can't sleep in the ground like you. Or in a tree, the way you do. And I'm sure no nest could possibly be big enough for me. Maybe you know where I can stay. In the woods somewhere? You do? Will you take me there? Put them in the tub.
If you dig, dig, dig with a shovel or a pick.
In a mine, in a mine, in a mine, in a mine, where 1,000,000 diamonds shine. We dig, 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 dig from early morning till night. We dig, 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 dig up everything inside. We dig up diamond piles more, 1,000 rubies, sometimes more, but we don't know what we dig them for. We dig, 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 dig. Hi-ho! 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 It's home from work we go. Hi-ho! 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 It's home from work we go.
Let's see what's upstairs. Oh, what adorable little bears. And look, they have their names carved on them. Doc, Happy, Sneezy, Dopey. What funny names for children. Grumpy, Bashful, and sleepy. I'm a little sleepy myself.
It's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho.
Our house! The lit slide! The light slit!
Jiminy crickets!
The door's open.
Chimney smoking.
Something's in there.
Maybe a ghost or a goblin.
A demon or a dragon.
Mark my words, there's trouble a-brewing. Till it come an old day. But corn's hurt. Gosh, that's a bad sign. What'll we do? Let's sneak up on it.
Yes, we'll sneak up. Come on, man.
Follow me.
Careful, man. Search every cook and nanny, hook and granny, crooked search everywhere. Shh, quiet. Look! The floor! It's been swept!
Chair's been dusted. Our window's been washed. Gosh, our cobwebs are missing.
Why, the whole place is clean.
There's dirty work afoot.
Sink's empty. Hey, someone stole our dishes.
They ain't stole. They're hid in the cupboard. My cup's been washed. Sugar's gone. Someone's cooking. Smells good. Don't touch it, you fools. Might be poison. See? It's witch's brew.
Look what's happened to our table.
Flowers.
Huh?
Look, goldenrod.
Don't do it. Take them away. By dose. By hay fever. You know I can't stand it. I can't. Thanks.
please.
I couldn't help it. I can't tell. When you gotta, you gotta. I gotta. It's coming.
Stop. No, I got it. Don't let go. Hold him tight. I'll got it. Make a hard knot. There. That'll hold him.
Thanks.
Shh. Quiet, you fool. You want to get us all killed?
What's that? That's it.
Sounded close. It's in this room right now.
It's up there.
Yeah, in the bedroom.
One of us has got to go down and chase it up. Up, down. Here, take it. Don't be nervous. Don't be afraid. We're right behind you.
Yes, right behind you.
It's only Dopey. Did you see it?
How big is it? Was it a dragon?
Has it got horns?
Was it breathing fire?
Was it drooling? What was it doing? He says it's a monster asleep in our beds.
Let's attack while it's sleeping.
Yeah, while it's sleeping.
Hurry, men. It's now or never. Off with his head. Break his bones. Chop it to pieces. Kill it dead.
Jiminy crickets.
Gosh, gee.
What a monster.
Covers 3 beds.
Let's kill it before it wakes up.
Which end do we kill?
Shh, shh.
What is it?
Why, it's a girl. She's mighty pretty.
She's beautiful, just like a angel. Angel. She's a female, and all females is poison. They're full of wicked wiles. What are wicked wiles? I don't know, but I'm agin 'em. What's wrong? Wake her up. Oh, let her wake up. She don't belong here nohow. Look out.
She's moving.
She's waking up.
What do we do?
Hi.
Oh, dear. I wonder if the children are... Oh! Why, you're little men. How do you do? I said, how do you do?
How do you do what?
Oh, you can talk. I'm so glad. Now, don't tell me who you are. Let me guess. I know. You're Doc.
Why, yeah. Yeah, that's true.
And you're bashful.
Oh, gosh.
And you're sleepy.
Hard to guess.
And you're sneezy. Yes, and you must be...
Happy, ma'am. That's me. And this is Dopey. He don't talk none.
You mean he can't talk?
He don't know. He never tried.
Oh, that's too bad. Oh, you must be grumpy.
Yeah.
We know who we are. Ask her who she is and what she's doing here.
Yeah. What are you and who are you doing? What are you? Who are you, my dear?
Oh, how silly of me. I'm Snow White.
Snow White, the princess.
Yes.
well, my dear princess, we're honored. Yes, we're
Mad as hornets.
mad as hornet. No, we're not. We're bad as cornet. No, as bad as what was I saying?
Nothing. Just standing there sputtering like a doodle ball.
Who's muttering like a spoodle duck? Who's gutter?
Oh, shut up and tell her to get out.
Please don't send me away. If you do, she'll kill me.
Kill you?
Who will? Yes, who?
My stepmother, the Queen.
The Queen. She's wicked. She's bad. She's mighty mean. She's an old witch. I'm warning you. If the Queen finds her here, she'll swoop down and wreak her vengeance on us.
But she doesn't know where I am.
She don't, huh? She knows everything. She's full of black magic. She can even make herself invisible. Might be in this room right now.
Oh, she'll never find me here. And if you let me stay, I'll keep house for you. I'll wash and sew and sweep and cook and...
Cook? Can you make dapple dumplings? Lumple dumplings?
Apple dumplings.
Yes. Apple dumpkins.
Yes, and plum pudding and gooseberry pie.
Gooseberry pie.
Hooray! She stays.
Just a minute. Supper's not quite ready. You'll just have time to wash.
Wash? Wash? Knew there's a catch to it.
Why wash? What for? We ain't going nowhere. Ain't New Year.
Oh, perhaps you have washed.
Perhaps we... Yes. Perhaps we have.
But when?
When? When? You said when? Why, last week, why, recently. Yes, recently.
Oh, recently. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Why, Doc, I'm surprised. Come on, let's see them. Oh, Bashful, my. And you? Worse than I thought. How shocking. Goodness me, this will never do. March straight outside and wash, or you'll not get a bite to eat. Well, aren't you going to wash? What's the matter? Cat got your tongue? Oh, did you hurt yourself?
Women. Courage, men. Courage. Don't be nervous. Gosh, it's wet. Oh, it's cold, too.
We ain't going to do it, are we?
Well, it'll please the princess. I'll take a chance for her.
Me too. Her wiles are beginning to work. But I'm warning you. You give them an inch, and they'll walk all over you.
Don't listen to that old warthog. Come on now, man. How hard do you scrub? You get in the tub?
You have to wash where it doesn't show.
Now, don't get excited. Here we go. Step up to the tub. Oh, ain't no disgrace. Just pull up your sleeves and get them in place. Then scoop up the water and rub it on your face and go. Pick up the salt. Now, don't try to bluff. Work up a leather. And when you got enough, get your hands full of water. You snort and you snuff and go. You douse and you souse, rub and you scrub, you sputter and splash all over the tub. You may be cold and wet when you're done, but you gotta admit it's good clean fun. So splash all you like, ain't any trick. As soon as you're through, you'll feel mighty slick.
Bunch of old nanny goats, you make me sick going. Next thing you know, she'll be tying your beards up in pink ribbons and smelling you up with that stuff called perfume. A fine bunch of water lilies you turned out to be. I'd like to see anybody make me wash if it isn't water.
Smells like a petunia.
He sure is cute. You'll pay dearly for this. Supper. Food.
Mirror on the wall, who now is the fairest one of all?
Over the 7 jeweled hills, beyond the 7th ball, in the cottage of the 7 dwarfs, dwells Snow White, fairest one of all.
Snow White lies dead in the forest. The huntsman has brought me proof. Behold her heart.
Snow White still lives, the fairest in the land. 'Tis the heart of a pig you hold in your hand.
The heart of a pig! Then I've been tricked. The heart of a pig, the blundering fool. I'll go myself to the dwarf's cottage in a disguise so complete no one will ever suspect. Now, a formula to transform my beauty into ugliness. Change my queenly raiment to a peddler's cloak. Mummy dust to make me old, to shroud my clothes, the black of night, to age my voice, an old hag's cackle. To whiten my hair, a scream of fright. A blast of wind to fan my hate. A thunderbolt to mix it well. Now begin thy magic spell. My voice. Oh, perfect disguise. And now, a special sort of death for one so fair. What should it be? A poisoned apple. Sleeping death. Oh, one taste of the poisoned apple, and the victim's eyes will close forever in the sleeping den.
I'd like to dance and tap my feet, but they won't keep in rhythm. You see, I washed them both today, and I can't do nothing with them.
Oh, hum, the tune's not the worst of being a thing. It's a silly song for anyone to sing.
I chased a polecat up a tree, way out upon a limb, and when he got the best of me, I got the worst of him.
Oh, hum, the tune's not the worst of being a thing. It's a silly song for anyone to sing.
was fun.
Now you do something.
Well, what shall I do?
Tell us a story.
Yes, tell us a story. A true story.
A love story.
Well, once there was a princess,
Was the princess you?
and she fell in love.
Was it hard to do?
It was very easy. Anyone could see that the prince was charming. The only one for me.
Was he strong and handsome?
Was he big and tall?
There's nobody like him. Anywhere at all.
Did he say he loved you?
Did he steal a kiss?
He was so romantic, I could not resist. Someday my prince will come. Someday we'll meet again. And away to his castle we'll go, to be happy forever, I know.
Mush.